What's up, y'all? It's Khalil Beats. I am back with another video. I'm gonna go ahead and roll the intro. We are winning. Y'all like that? Y'all like that intro? Anyway, what to do after you wash your dreads? You moisturize. That's what you do after you wash your dreads. After you first get done washing, the first thing you do is dry and then moisturize. And I'm explaining to y'all how you should moisturize your dreads. So whatever you got, you just washed your hair, bruh. You just washed, your hair was dirty, your scalp was dirty, or your dreads was stank, and you went and washed your hair. So what you want to do is you get your towel, you dry your hair. Make sure you don't dry it too much because the towel can dry your dreads out. So don't leave the towel on your head for too long, but leave it long enough on your head to where your dreads can get dry enough and stop leaking with water. So once you dry your hair, you can have argan oil, you can have carrot oil, you can have olive oil, you can have coconut oil, you can have oil, you can have grease, not wave grease, but grease, moisturizing grease. You can have oil, anything like that. So what you want to do is you get your oil, and I recommend you to oil your scalp first. So you get your oil, you rub it in your hands together like that. And what you want to do is you want to massage this oil into your scalp. So you get all your parts, you get all between all your dreads and your parts, and you also want to get like the ends of your dreads, but that's connected to your scalp. So you may want to put your whole hand on your head and make sure you get it all in between your scalp and in your dreads. So you go ahead and rub that oil in your dreads after you get done washing. Then after that, you get the oil, and what you want to do is you want to put the oil on the ends of your dreads, on the ends, because your ends do fall out. Well, I don't know if everybody has that problem, but I do know putting oils on the ends of your dreads will help your dreads. So you put the oil on the ends and you go ahead and massage that gently. Don't do it too rough. You be gentle and you massage that oil into the ends of your dreads. Then after that, you want to take the oil and put it in the middle of your dreads. You want to oil the middle parts of your dreads. So what I recommend you to do is you just hang your head and you just go ahead and just rub it in like that. Just rub the oil in your dreads, bro. And this will maintain a healthy scalp. And you don't have to just moisturize your dreads after you wash them if you want to retwist. You can also retwist your hair after you get done washing it. So you guys know how to do that. You can go to somebody to get your hair retwisted, or you can do it yourself. You can retwist your hair and right after you get done washing. It's not a rocket scientist, but I'm gonna tell y'all guys, moisturizing your dreadlocks is a health benefit that will definitely help you on your dread journey. Always make sure you're moisturizing your dreadlocks, bro. That's crucial. You need to moisturize your dreadlocks, especially when they start to get longer. You're gonna notice that some of them might fall out because they're longer. They might fall out. So moisturizing your dreadlocks is the key. I think that's why I'm gonna go ahead and end this video off at, guys. Make sure y'all drink y'all water. Make sure y'all make sure y'all spritz y'all dreads. That's why I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next one, no doubt.